Good morning, children. Last class, what we did, page number 90. Open your page number 90. First, you open the textbook. Page number 90, exercise 4, we finished. Today, we are going to exercise number 5. But few examples we will do. After that, we'll go to exercise number 5, children. Open page number 90. Page number 90. Page number 90. Example sums where you write the children. You want to write in the rough note. So take rough note also. With take textbook, open the textbook, write in the rough note. Addition of 3 two-digit numbers. See. Addition of 3 two-digit number. Previous class what we did, addition of 2-digit number and 1-digit number. We did no addition of 2-digit numbers. We did no, children. In this, we'll do addition of 3 two-digit numbers. 2-digit, but 3 steps will come. Without carrying. Without carrying, we are doing. Without carrying. They given like this. Add 13, 12, and 32. Previous class, only two numbers are there. Only 2 numbers. In this class, addition of 3 two-digit numbers. See, 1, 2, 3. 3-digit number is there. In one number, 2 digits are there. So, 3 two-digit number. First, we will arrange the numbers by writing them one below the others. Tens, ones. First number, what is there? 13. 3 you write here. 12. 1, 2. After that, 32. Like this, you want to arrange the numbers, children. Then you go on to have this ones column. See, 3 plus 2, how much? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. See, 3 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5. 5 you will get now. 5 plus 2, 7. Like this. Now, we finished ones column. Now, we will go to tens column. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, how much? 2. 2 plus 3, 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 3 in the finger. 3 after 2, 3, 4, 5. First one we finished with example sum. Second example I am giving that. Add 17, 21 and 13. Now first you will arrange the number. Which number first you will write? This first number will write 1, 7. After that, second number 2, 1. And third number is 13. First, which column we will add? Ones column we will add. So 7 plus 1, 8. 7 in the mind, 1 on the finger. After 7, 8. 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 8 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11. See, 11 is the two-digit number, children. So what you will do? 11 is two-digit number is what? Shall I write 11 here? This is correct, children? No, it's not correct. So you rub this 11. See, 11 is two-digit number. So ones column here, ones, tens both. This one you will write here ones. This tens will carry here 1. Understood, children? Next exercise, next main, with carrying only, I will teach that next exercise, children. Now we'll see the only without carrying, we'll see. (17, 21, 30. So, 90. Here 9. 1, 1. 1. See, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Like that, you want to add these numbers. Understood, children? Now we will go to exercise number 5. Exercise number 5. This is the example sum, children. So you write in the rough note. For exercise number 5 also, there is no place to write here. Understood? There is no place to write here. So you want to do in the rough note. 1 or 2 sums I give in the rough note. In classwork I gave these sums. So you want to copy in PDF. You write in the classwork on the children. See the PDF and write in the classwork. Now I will do 1 or 2 sums in the rough note. You will note down in the rough note. Exercise number 5. First one, 12, 23, and 13. Tens, ones. 1, 13, here also 13. 6, 2 plus 3, 2 in the mind. 2 you keep it in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 38. Understood, children? In exercise number 5, there is no place in the textbook to write this and all. Understood? You write in the rough note. Second one, 18, 11, and 30. Only answer you want to write here. See, right answer, put dash here. For first one, 38. Second one, tens, ones. 18, 1, 1. 30. 8 plus 1, 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 0 in the finger. After 9, what will come? After 9 plus 0, 9 only will come. 9. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. For second one, answer is 59. See, another 6 sums are there. You want to do in the rough note. Rough note, you do it, children, and write the answer. Yes, side inside, you want to write the answers. Now we will go to addition of 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. Previous class, what we did, without carrying only, we did the addition, children. This time we will do only with carrying only, we will do. Now page number 91. Addition of 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. Addition of a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. First we will do example sums, after we will go to textbook, children. Add 19 and 7. First we will arrange this number, tens, 1. First you write this 1, 19. 7 here, single digit number, so we will write in the ones column. See, 9 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is two-digit number, no children. So 16 is two number means ones, tens. So where you will write here? Shall I write 16 here? It's correct, children? No, no, this is not correct. You don't want to write two-digit numbers in one's column. See, once you want to carry here. This one will write here 6. This one will carry to here. 9 plus 7 will get 16. 16 is two-digit number. In 16 is two digits. 6 is in one's column, 1 is in tens column. So one's column 6 is we will write in the 6 in one's column only. 6 will write in the one's column. Ones will carry to tens column. So 1 plus 1, 2. Understood, children? Another one I'll do. Add 78 and 5. Tens, ones. See, first, which number is there? 78. See, a single digit number. 5 is a single digit number, no? So, where you want to write? Tens column or ones column? In ones column, you want to write 5. See, now first we add ones column. 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is also two-digit number. So what you will do? What you will do, children? See, in this number, one's number is, in one's column, you will put 3 here. In tens column, will carry to 1, will carry to tens column. So now 1 plus 7, 8. Understood, children? Whenever we will do the, see, if we had this number, we'll get 13. No, you don't write here 13 only. Take one's number, 3, tens number, you carry to tens column. Understood, children? Now we will go to textbook. There is place to write. Sharp your pencil when you are writing the textbook. Write neatly. Exercise number 6. Exercise number 6. Add the following. Tens, 1. 67, 8. See the number in the ones column. 7 in the mind. 8 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is two-digit number. So, where you will write 5? 5 you will write in the ones column. Where you will carry 1? In tens column. You carry 1, you will carry to tens column. So, 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is, sum is 75. Understood? Easy only, no, children? Second one, tens, ones. 28 plus 9. See, whenever we'll do the addition, no, you want to use plus sign. Already they given in the textbook. When you are writing in the rough note, classwork, homework, you want to, don't forget to put the plus sign. Understood, children? 8 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, see, 17. Which number will write in the ones column? See, children, 17 is there. Which number will write? 7 we will write in the ones column. Where you in tens column, you will carry 1. 1 you will carry to tens column. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3. 37. Third one, 54 plus 7. 4 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Single digit or two digit? Two digits. No, children. So 1, this one we will write in the ones column. This one we will carry to tens column. Now 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fourth one, 63 plus 8. 3 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So ones, tens. This number will write on the ones column. 1. This one will carry to tens column. Now 1 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 71 is the sum. We finished for 5 sums. Sorry, Sanachira, 4 sums. Now 5th one is there. Tens, ones. 78 plus 5. 78 plus 5. See, 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 3 will write here. 1 you will carry to tens column. Now 1 plus 7. 1 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 8 is there. Here no number. So as it is, you would write 8. See the sums, children. First one. Here also 6 plus 1 will get 7. In down there is no number. So only you count these two number, you write the answer. Understood? In second one also 2 plus 1, 3. See here no number. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now we'll go to page number 92. Page number 92. Go to page number 92. So whenever writing your textbook, no children, that time you want to write the date also. Sharp your pencil and write neatly. Another 4 sums are there. Tens, 1, 6th one, this one. 87 plus 7. 87 plus 7. See, 7 in the mind, 7 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's correct, children? No. It's not correct. So, 14 means 4 you will write here. Which number you will write? 4 you will write. 1 you will carry to tens column. 1 plus 8. 1 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 94. $29, 9. 9 in the mind, 9 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 8. 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 in the mind, on the finger. After 1, 2, 3. 38. This is 7th one. 8 1, 37 plus 6. 37 plus 6. 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. See, 13. 3 you will write here 3, 1 you will carry to tens column. 1 plus 3, 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 48 plus 5, ninth one. 48 plus 5. 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 in the 3 you write in the ones column, 1 you will carry to tens column. 1 plus 4, 1 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 50. We finished exercise number 5. Exercise number 5, sorry children, exercise number 6 also we finished. Now we will go to exercise number 7. Before we will do some example, few sums are there, few examples we will do, then only we will go to exercise number 7. So example sums, where you want to do rough note. So take rough note children. Addition of 2-digit numbers with carrying. Addition of 2-digit numbers with carrying. Last main one, see now we did not exercise number 6. In this main, that main, 2-digit number and 1-digit number we carried, no children. In this main we will do only 2 digit. Here down, up also 2 digit, down also 2 digit. Last main what we did, up 2 digit, down 1 digit is there. No, we finished that main. Now we will go to addition of 2-digit numbers with carrying. Example. Add 38 and 46. Add 38 and 46. Now first we will arrange this. Tens column, ones. First number 38, 46. See, 2 digit means this also 2 digit. Here also 2 digit. In exercise 6, what we did? Exercise 1, exercise number 6. You have 2 digit, you have 1 digit. Understood children? This is 1, here 2 digit, here 1 digit. Here in this main, we will do here also 2 digit, here also 2 digit. Understood? Now we'll do the sum. 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is 2-digit number. So where 4 we will write in the ones column, 1 we will carry to tens column. First we will add these two numbers. 1 plus 3. 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you will get here. Now 4 in the mind. After this, if we add these 2 we will add, we will get 4. This 4 and this 4 we will add now. 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood children? 84. See, Here also two digits, here also two digits. 8 plus 6 will get 14. 14, 4 you will write here, 1 you will carry to tens column. First we will add these two numbers, 1 plus 3 we will get 4. After that these two numbers we will add 4 plus 4, 8. Now see this number if we finish will be 38 plus 46 equal to how much? 84. Answer is 84. Next example 2. Tens, ones, 37, 6, 6. Understood, children? Which one we will add? These two numbers we will add. 7 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means two digit number. 3 you will write here. 1 you will carry to ones column. 1 plus 3. These two numbers first we will add. 1 plus 3. 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 will get here. After these 4 and these 4 will add again. 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 83. So 37 plus 46 equal to 83. If we have these both will get 83. Now open your textbook, page number 93. Page number 93. Open your textbook, children. Addition of two digits. First one. $56, $28. See the sum. Both of the side circles are there in the textbook, no children. You cut it one. Don't want this. See, 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means 4. See, 4 you will write here. What you will carry to tens column. 1 plus 5. Both. We will add this both first. 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we will get now children. 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. 8 is the answer. Understood, children? Like that you want to do the sums. Second one, tens, ones. 43 plus 37. 43 plus 37. 3 in the mind. 3 in the mind. So on the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. See, 10 is also two digit number. 0 you will write here. 1 you will carry to tens column. 1 plus 4. 1 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 5. Small. You write 5 here. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. See, if we have these three numbers, we'll get 80. Understood, children? Third one. $57 plus 28. 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 two-digit number. 5 will write here, 1 will carry to tens column. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 in the mind, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. 85. Fourth one, 37. Plus 48. 7 in the mind, 8 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 will write here. 1 you will carry to tens column. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 3, count children. 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 1 plus 3 will get 4 now. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. 8. 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 85. See children, 4 sums we did in this class. Next class I will do 8 sums. Understood children? Now close here. This 4 we finished. Write down neatly. Another 8 sums are there. I will do in the next class. Now close your textbooks and take homework notes. Homework note. Now maths homework note. Maths homework. Last class what we gave children? I gave 4 ones are 2 times, 5 ones are 2 times, 6 ones are 2 times. Understood? Now take fresh page. Take fresh page. Write neatly. Sharpen your pencil. Fresh page. Open your homework note children. Sharpen your pencil. Last class I gave 4, 5, 6 tables 2 times. Now here see, go to fresh page, leave one line here. Next line, you want to write in the next line, write the number names. Write the number names. I'll give few numbers children, you want to write the number names. Write the number name for. Leave one line. First one, 97. You want to write for this. 97 means you have to write the number name for this 97. Words you want to write. 97 means don't write 97 children. You want to write, see, 9 is in 10th place, 7 is in 1st place. So 9 becomes 90. 90 spelling. What is the 90 spelling? N-I-N-E, 9, T-Y. 90, S-C-V-E-N, 7. Like that you want to write. Second one, 33. Third one, 45. Fourth one, 63. Understood children? Write neatly. Only I gave numbers. You want to write the number names for these numbers. 97, 33, 45, 63. See, once again I am repeating. Take fresh page, max homework note. Leave one line, write heading, write the number names. For these numbers, you want to write the number names. 97, 33, 45, 63. Understood children? You want to write the homework neatly, sharp. When you are writing the number names now, you want to sharp the pencil. Right, with neat and the thing, you want to write the spellings. Don't do spelling mistakes also while writing. Check the spellings. Understood? Thank you, children.